Hey, you guys, my name is Elisa Tobin and I live in Salem, Oregon. I am a part-time caregiver for a boy with cerebral palsy. I have been with him since he was 4. He just turned 12 yesterday, so I've been with him for like two-thirds of his life, which is kind of crazy. And he is just the sweetest little boy. He's in a wheelchair full time, and I just am able to help him with daily living and able to help his family with other things that they need help with. So that is my main line of work. And then I also work at a wedding shop. And so we rent items for weddings and events, and I get to sit with brides and help them decide like what they want for centerpieces or what they want their decorations to look like. So that's a lot of fun too, just being able to work with different types of people every day who come in and have different ideas and be able to share my creative ideas. I'm super excited for this class. I was looking through the material and looking through the books and just the syllabus, and I'm really excited um, to learn everything that we have coming up in this course. As far as encountering people who are diagnosed with a mental health condition, I have no experience, honestly. I've never been in the social work or mental health field outside of just I have a degree in psychology, but I've never been in the field as far as work goes. And I also have never made DSM-5 diagnoses. So this is all going to be a super good learning experience for me. As far as what do I want to do for work? Wait, in what ways do I want to work with a practitioner? I would love my ultimate goal. Sorry about that little stall. I had to reread the question. My ultimate goal would either be to work with a sports team at a college or just an athletic department at a college to work with students who are athletes and are facing mental health crises or just have a lot going on with the direction that they want to take their life. I would love to either work with a sports team or work in a hospital as a social worker. And I think both of those positions would allow me opportunities to work with practitioners who are making these diagnoses. So this class is going to be super helpful, and I'm really excited for it. And I look forward to working with each of you. Thank you.